In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 10 computer using one of many tools. It's a program called Ccleaner. First, let's start with downloading this free program. Open your web browser and search for Ccleaner. Usually, it'll be the first result, but make sure you see https://www.ccleaner.com so that you don't go to a bad website. After clicking on the link, then click on free download. You'll do this probably a couple more times because I'm sure they want to advertise their paid version before they give you the free version. Then click download under the free version. Then scroll down and click free download. It should then download. Once it downloads, click on it. You'll see two options, install and customize. Here are the options under customize, which I will leave as is. It will create a desktop shortcut, add the program to the program start menu, the recycle bin, and enable intelligent cookie scan. Click install, and the next step is very important. Click decline to install anything else. That's right, decline. Otherwise, you will get other software that'll probably annoy you. After install, click run Ccleaner. You can close the other browsers now. Click on options, and I would only recommend changing two options which will be available once you click on secure file deletion, then checking the boxes that say wipe alternate data streams and wipe cluster tips. This will give you a slightly better cleaning. Now the other options you can leave alone. Now click health check, and then click on the next button. Now it's going to tell you what it's going to do for you. Boost your PC's performance. Click next. Improve your PC's security. Click next. Maintain your PC's privacy and get more disk space. Finally, click on get started. Now down at the bottom here, after it's done analyzing, it's going to show you your results and what will be cleaned in the free version. Click on make it better. I'll speed that up, and now when that's done, click on custom scan. As you will see here, there are a lot of options, but we're only going to add one selection here, and that is your prefetch. You're going to clean that out. Scroll all the way to the bottom under advanced and you will see old prefetch data. Select that, then click on OK on the warning pop-up. Your prefetch stores information on every app that you open, so that this way, every time you open it, it won't take as long. This can build up after some time. So after you've selected that and clicked OK, now click Analyze. After clicking Analyze, then click Run Cleaner on the bottom right. Now click Continue. After the cleaning has completed, deselect old prefetch data. Remember, you're only going to select to clean out your prefetch data once a month or sometimes every 2 months. So to keep your computer running smoothly in Windows 10, perform the custom clean without the prefetch cleaner weekly. But guess what? I have a bonus tip for you here on this video. I'm going to show you how to clean out your temp folder. What is your temp folder? Well, your temp folder is a place that stores data. Every time you use programs, your computer stores a little bit of data. Now after some time, this will build up and it'll start to make your computer run a little slow. Not cleaning this out is kind of like filling up your house with junk. So let me show you how to clean this out. Go to your search bar. In the bottom left, I want you to type in %, TEMP, then the % again, and hit enter. These are your temp files. You'll notice I have about 100 files. Click Ctrl A, which will select all, right click over the files, and then click delete. Then check off the box that says do this for all current items and click skip. This will just skip the files that can't be deleted at the moment, but the majority of your files will be deleted and you'll not only have more space, but your computer will free up in speed. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next one.